Congratulations and thank you for downloading your freebie. I have a quick question for you. Would you love to learn how to use free tools to attract more people into your business? Yes? Great. What I have for you today, one time, is an opportunity to purchase my Livestream for Profits course for a reduced price. And so inside of the course, I'm going to walk you step by step through the steps that you need to take to leverage the power of live streaming platforms like Facebook Live, Instagram Live, and Periscope to attract more people into your business and convert them into clients, okay? So the original price of the course is $97, but this one time only, I want to offer it to you today for $17. So if you're interested, all you need to do is click the link below and grab your Livestream for Profits course for $80 off. Do it today. Bye-bye.